Do you remember me? He wanted to eat me.
This is not true!
Okay, let's be more serious and go to school, because today we will learn to write the letter D. We will start by learning to write the uppercase or capital letter D. But for that, we will need a piece of paper and a pencil.
Ah! Okay!
Don't worry, we'll zoom in on the paper so you can see clearly how we're going to write the uppercase letter D. To write an uppercase D, draw a straight vertical line down and then add a large curved line from the top to the bottom connecting both ends. Don't worry if your letter does not look good. We are learning, and don't hesitate to erase and start writing the letter again. You see, I am also learning. With practice, we will improve. We are nearly done with the first line. Now the second line, this time without the guides, using the uppercase letter D shown in gray. You see, I make mistakes too. I just erase and start again. And that's completely okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Good job! After the uppercase letter D, let's start practicing the lowercase d. To write lowercase d, first draw a straight vertical line down from the top. Then add a small circle to its left side at the bottom. Now listen carefully. You can also start first with the circle and then add the straight line. Both ways are correct. Choose the one that feels easier for you. Personally, I prefer starting with the straight line, but remember both ways are correct. So you can choose the one that feels easiest for you. Okay, now the second line.
Are we done now?
Not completely. Do you remember that we already learned to write the letters A, B, and C in previous episodes? Do you?
Oh, yes, I remember.
Then let's use one of them, like the letter A, and combine it with the letter D to write Dad. Note that it's more natural to begin writing the lowercase letter D by drawing its circle first, especially when you're connecting it to another letter. Here it's with the letter A. Great job! We're done now! Hey, don't forget to practice! You can also use our LIIAMRA learning workbook for that. Before you go, can you write Dad in the comments? Hope to see you soon on the LIIAMRA Learning Channel!